5 apps that pays you to watch videos using your phone. Imagine being able to earn just by watching videos from your phone. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 5 genuine apps that reward you for watching content. You don't need any special skill, previous experience, or investments to get started. It's simple, free, and beginner friendly. So if you want to make some extra cash in your spare time, stay until the very end because you don't want to miss this app I'm going to share with you. My name is Wise, and I've spent a lot of time testing different ways people can earn money online. One of the questions I get asked often is whether it's actually possible to make money by watching videos on a phone, and the answer is yes. There are platforms that pays you for it. However, before I show you the app, let's talk about expectation. A lot of people think they can make $20 every day or earn several dollars from every video they watch. Unfortunately, that is not realistic. Watching videos can help you earn some extra money, but it's not something that will replace a full-time income. Most of these platforms offer other ways to earn, such as completing survey, playing games, and finishing different online tasks. So if you want better results, don't only focus on watching videos. No, don't only focus on watching video. Also keep in mind that these apps are not arranged from the best to the worst, because the right choice depends on where you live and what any method work best for you. I will explain how each platform work, and you can choose the ones that you like. So I won't be taking much of your time. Let's get into it. Number one platform we'll be talking about today is called Opinion Edge. Yes, Opinion Edge. That is the first platform we'll be talking about. Opinion Edge started mainly as a survey website, but over time it added more earning features, including occasional video watching opportunities. You can access it through their website or use their mobile app on Android and iOS device. The platform is easy to navigate, and users from different countries can join, so it does not restrict any country. When it comes to withdrawing your earnings, you can choose options like PayPal or gift card. While video watching won't generate high income, it can be a simple way to earn small reward. Yes. Now let's get into number 2. The second option is called freecash. Freecash is a popular earning platform where users can complete different tasks to make money. It has an Android app, and iPhone users can still use it through their browsers. There are many earning opportunities available, including surveys, games, and paid offer. For watching videos, you will usually access this opportunity through partner offers. Wow. The great thing about freecash is that you have several ways to increase your earning instead of depending only on watching videos. You can withdraw your earning through crypto, PayPal, or different gift cards. There are a lot of ways there you can withdraw your money. Another advantage is that withdrawals are usually processed quickly after you reach the required amount. Number 3 platform we're talking about is called Pulse. Yes, Pulse. This one works in a different way. Instead of paying you directly for watching video, Pulse allows you to earn passively by sharing unused internet bandwidth. You simply install the app on your phone or computer, keep it running, and it can generate earnings in the background while you do other activities. You can use it on Android, iOS, and desktop device. The income is not massive, but it requires very little work. Pulse also include other earning options like surveys. Yes, you can also do surveys on this platform. You can cash out through payment methods such as PayPal, Bitcoin, or gift card. Now let's get to number 4. Number 4 is AppKarma. AppKarma is commonly known for rewarding users for playing mobile games. However, it also includes video ads that you can watch to earn extra points. The video session is more like a bonus feature, so you shouldn't depend on it as your main earning method. The best approach is to combine gaming reward and other tasks with watching videos. The app works on both Android and iOS device, so you can use the both for this particular project. Now let's go to the final app which I will be talking about today. But before that, if you're not hitting the subscribe button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share this video to those that you know that this video is helpful to. This will help to send a signal to YouTube algorithm that this video is good and they will help push it out to more people. Now let's go to number 5. Number 5 app on the list is called Quantiply. Quantiply have a feature called Watch to Earn, where user can watch ads and videos to collect coins. Apart from videos, you can also earn through surveys, games, and other activity. One important thing to know is that Quantiply mainly focus on cryptocurrency payments. So they will normally send your money to your USDT account or whatever cryptocurrency you want to receive it on. So this platform is better suited for people who receive crypto reward. It works on Android and you can also access it through a browser. That is if you are using iOS. So these are 5 real apps that pay you for watching videos on your phone. But remember, the goal is to earn some extra money, not to expect overnight success. Video watching is one of the most easiest online method, but it's also one of the lower paying option. For better results, combine it with other any opportunities available on the platform. Yes, if you found this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more videos about making money online. My name is Wise, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Thanks for watching.